Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am back today because I received my Allure Beauty Box for June. And I thought I would share with you everything that I received. I believe we got all full-size products this time. So yeah, let me set this over out of the way and I will show you everything that I received. So the first thing was something that we got a choice in, and I actually chose the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer with colloidal oatmeal. Ultra hydrating. Safe for sensitive skin. Which it says you get either the First Day Beauty After Shower Nourishing Body Oil. I don't like to use oil ever, really. Brightening Micro Powder Exfoliant. KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. HS Fresh Strawberry, or the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer, which I chose the face moisturizer. I've used this product before, and so I chose it again because it works really well. The retail price for this is $28 for 50 milliliters, and you can buy it on firstaidbeauty.com. I will try to put all the links, the Amazon links for these products, but if you're looking for a face moisturizer, this is great. So that is the first product that we got to choose. And then the next product is the Luna Nectar Botanical Retinol Alternative Boosting Serum. Not everybody can handle or tolerate retinol, but I can actually. This is a more sensitive, skin-friendly alternative. It has a plant-based ingredient which is packed into the serum to help target fine lines, smooth texture, just like a vitamin A derivative. You use this at night, which most retinol you do. After you wash your face, you just put 3 drops onto your forehead, to your neck. Then you follow it up with your moisturizer. It retails for $49, and we did get the full-size product. Oops. This is the one that I had trouble, but here is what it looks like. Luna Nectar Futurize. So we got that. And then we got the ACEOLOGY Here We Glow Berry Mask. I just recently started using a mask. I don't always use one, but I try to at least a couple times a month. And it says this berry yogurt lookalike may not be edible, but it offers impressive antioxidant perks, just like juicy fruits. Made with kaolin to deep clean in 5 different berries to fight free radical damage, which are like wrinkles and dark spots. This face mask gives tired skin a boost, leaving it with a soft radiance. Says to slather onto freshly cleansed skin, making sure to apply it evenly from forehead to chin. And then you leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. It retails for $69 for 65 milliliters, which this is 65 milliliters. So we did get a full size product in that as well. I love it when they do, and usually 2 or 3 times a year, they give us all full size products. So I appreciate that. Then we got a L'Atelier perfume let's see, it's Cord de Petals Hair and Body Mist. Says if you've ever been to Paris, you've likely strolled through the lush Jardin de Luxembourg. If you haven't, a spritz or two of this flowery fragrance with notes of rose, violet, and jasmine will instantly transport you to the iconic garden's sprawling flowers and fruit trees. Wherever you're heading, toss this tiny bottle into your bag to spritz on the go. It retails for $57. This one is not a full-size product. This is just a sample. And I will try to link it. I have not even smelled this, so I'm not big on rose. But if it doesn't have too much of a rosy smell, then I'll be fine with it. It does have quite a bit of a rosy smell, but I do like this size to tuck into my purse. So that's nice. It does kind of smell good. You can smell the jasmine in it as well. And then we got the David's Hydroxy Whitening Enamel Health Peppermint Toothpaste. David's mint green tube is filled with SLS-free peppermint paste that makes the twice daily chore of brushing your teeth look and feel a little more elevated. After flossing, twist off the top, squeeze a pea-sized dollop onto your toothbrush, then brush your teeth, of course. Follow with a swish and a swirl of your favorite mouthwash. 4 ounces, and we got 1.75 ounces. Retails for $10.95. So I'm excited to use this. It says use it after flossing. Do you all floss after you brush or before you brush? I'm gonna admit that I floss after I brush, just to make sure I got everything. And I use my mouthwash before I brush, because I want it to get all as much loose grime off my teeth and out of my mouth as I can. So, yeah, you'll have to let me know. Do you floss before or after you brush? And do you use mouthwash before or after? And then the last thing that we got was this Paul Mitchell sculpting foam. I actually got the flexible style foam froth mousse. No matter what you call this airy styler, all you need is one pump to re-app its texture defining bodybuilding benefits and that indulgent creamy coconut scent. Shake, shimmy, and squirt the can upside down to dispense. Then apply evenly to damp hair, styling and amping up volume. We just got a sample. We got 2 ounces. 16.9 ounces is $31. And then some people got the clear jelly mask. But I got the sculpting foam. So that is all of the products from the June. Let's see if I can get them all on here where you can see all from the June Allure Beauty Box. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll be back soon with another crafty planner or beauty video.